Hi everyone, it's Tammy, and today I'm making another quarantined card. Just Happy Meal for people that are not able to get out, and I thought this one was really cute. And I am using the Purple Onion SS Minnow Sailboat with Bunny and Bird on it so that I can do kind of a fun summary type card. And I'm going to use this for a couple of the guys on my team. And I've gone ahead and colored. I just used Copic markers. It's not a fabulous coloring job. It was just kind of fun. And then I did an 8.5 by 11 that I cut in half and then scored in half so I could fold it. And this turns out to be an A2 sized card, which is 4.25 by 5.5 when it is folded. And then I have a piece of 5 by 3 3/4 insert page to go inside. This is just so I can write my little message on here. So I'm just going to take this and tape it down. Center it. And then I also have a piece of 5.25 by 4 to go on the outside here of designer paper. And this came in one of the kits that I had gotten from Echo Park. So I am using those kits and I am happy about them. And if you didn't see that video or don't know what I'm talking about, you can look back at, if you just search Echo Park in my search bar, you should be able to find it. But it is, they had really nice kits on sale for half off or more, and they were beautiful kits. And this one was a sailing, or a, well, kind of a sailing one, I guess. Maybe navy even. Oh, and you can see I messed up stamping on that side, which is part of the reason I don't like to stamp until I don't like to put it down until I've stamped, because sometimes you mess up, and if you do, you can always turn it over and use the other side, and no one's the wiser. If I were giving this to a girl, I might put a ribbon on it or something, but I think it's cute just like this. And then I have this extra piece that I'm going to, I think, put on the inside here. And I think I'm going to cut it down just a little bit. This came on the bottom of the paper as just a little piece to show you what's on the other side of the paper. And I thought, well, I can use that. So I like to use as much of the paper that I can, or the product that I can. And I'm just going to put this right here like that. And I just did a little notch in it. And there we go. So I did the same thing here, but I just put it horizontally. So that is my card for today. I know it's super fast and pretty easy because I didn't really do much, but I just wanted to show you that because you can make really easy cards, really cute. Even if you didn't color this, if you just had a sticker that you could put on it, you could use that. I did use my alcohol markers, but I didn't do, I can't even think of that I did any like highlighting or anything like that. I just made it so that I thought it was cute, and that's that. So thanks for watching and have a wonderful day. Happy knitting, happy crafting. Bye.